Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Assistant and signing into the account you use daily. Once done, grant microphone and notifications so voice commands and alerts work reliably. If you plan location-based reminders, enable location too. You should also pick your default language and voice now because it affects recognition and clarity. Now say, "Hey Google," to test that Assistant wakes up. If it responds, proceed to create your first reminder. Don't skip the permission. You create reminders by telling Assistant exactly what, when, and where. For example, "Hey Google, remind me to call Sam tomorrow at 3 p.m. That tells Assistant the task, date, and time. For location triggers, say, "Remind me to buy milk when I get to Safeway." You can also use relative timing, in 20 minutes. If the reminder involves another person, make sure contacts are synced and say, "Share with," or add them in the reminder settings. Clarity reduces missed reminders. Finish by reviewing and organizing reminders. Open Assistant or the Google app, tap Reminders, then edit, snooze, or delete entries. Once done, pin recurring reminders or move items to your calendar for complex scheduling. If reminders don't fire, check Do Not Disturb notification permissions, and that Assistant is signed into the correct account. Also confirm location for place-based alerts. If problems persist, clear Assistant cache and reauthorize permissions. These steps usually restore normal reminder behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.